Hi there. Today, I'm going to be cooking up some delicious stewed potatoes and baked chicken. First, let's start with the stewed potatoes. I will be using organic, yellow potatoes that I bought at the farmer's market. I will peel and cube the potatoes and add them to a pot. With 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt. I will let the potatoes cook on low heat for about an hour, or until they are tender and almost cooked through. While the potatoes are cooking, I will be making a roux by whisking together 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour in a saucepan. Once the potatoes are done cooking, I will remove them from the pot and set them aside. I will then add the roux to the pot with the potatoes and stir it in until it is well combined. Next, I will add 2 cups of chicken broth to the pot and stir it in. I will also add some chopped garlic and a pinch of cinnamon to the pot. Once the broth is added, I will cover the pot and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Finally, I will roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the chicken is cooked, I will remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. The baked chicken is done when it is golden brown. I will remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. The stewed potatoes are done when they are tender, and the chicken is cooked through. Now, let's move on to baked chicken. I will be using a whole chicken.